Long ago, in the beautiful countryside of England, a group of lambs grazed peacefully on lush green grass by a sparkling stream. This is the story of one wise lamb escaping a dangerous moment he faced.
One day, a little lamb was eating some tasty grass away from her friends. She didn't see the big, scary wolf sneaking up on her. When she finally noticed the wolf, she got scared and said, "Please don't eat me yet. My tummy is full of grass, so my meat isn't tasty right now. If you wait, the grass will be digested, and I will taste better." The wolf thought about it and agreed. Then the lamb had a clever idea. She said, "If you want, I can dance, and I'll taste even better. Could you help me by ringing my bell really loudly while I dance?" The wolf liked the idea and started ringing the bell as hard as he could. The shepherd heard the loud ringing and he think, "Oh no, my little lamb is in trouble. I must hurry." Then quickly came running to rescue the lamb. The lamb was saved and the wolf ran away, tricked by the smart little lamb. This story shows that sometimes being smart and thinking quickly can save you from trouble.